Hey everyone, today is day 22 of our 30 days challenge. Haven't been able to post every day, so it seems like it's more than 30 days already, but still day 22 where I actually teach you something to learn the circular movement in Taishandan. So remember, your right posture is to stand straight, bend your knees, right feet together, feet flat on the floor, and you're gonna create that horizontal circle. Okay, depending of your body type and morphology, the circle can look different. That's all right. You just have to do the horizontal circle and that will be fine, focusing on the at the front, side, back, side. Sorry for I speak French usually, so yeah, that's why. And yeah, just practice that. It's not easy, but it's possible.